Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how do you rotate a string and what kind of interview questions will come in the string rotation. Okay, for that, guys, let's take a string is Azhar, and if we get an output as rAzha, then it is true. Let's say if we get an output as arAzh, it is true. And if you get an output like ahrAz, it is false. It is not exactly rotated, right? For that, guys, just create a function. Function isRotation. So it should take two strings, str1 and str2. So here we have to do comparison. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to see if str1 dot length equal to str2 dot length. We should return false. Let us write our main logic here. So we have to loop entire string 1 at I equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. So let rotation equal to, this is how we can rotate the string. Okay. If you can see the attributes which are true, it is aZh here, R will come in the beginning. That is the scenario. Then if R and A will come in the beginning, this is aRAzh. So this is how we have to do it. So str dot, we have to slice of I plus str dot slice of 0 comma I. So to understand this, let me just run it. You'll understand it, what exactly we're talking about. So if I write console.log of rotation. Okay, let me call this function console.log. So isRotation. So let us write Azhar, something like that, for just for understanding. Let me run this. Now you can see it is this one, Azhar. So this one actually matches this one here. And this one actually matches this one, right? So these are kind of rotated strings. So you can see these are all matching. Now, if I pass that string as here, and if I can write, let's say inside this function itself, if rotation equal to string 2, then return as true. Okay, remove this one. And here you can return false. So we'll return false if it doesn't match anything. So initially, if the length is not equal to string 2, string 1 length, it is false. If it is only matching, it is true, else it is false. So let me run it. So it is true. Okay, let me put a comment here so I can show you. It is true. Now I can call the same thing again. So now what I'll do, I'll pass this one. It should be false. So I can copy this. I can paste it here. I'll copy this one. So first two should be true and third one should be false. See, true, true, and false. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.